Now we have a new set of grids. These will be for developing our variations on a color by mixing different pigments to the main color for a particular chart. In this case, we're going to do Windsor Lemon and Cadmium Yellow Pale. So the first thing we want to do is label the chart. This is going to read Windsor Lemon. And here we're going to have Cadmium Free Yellow Pale. So as you can see with this new set of charts, the first row for each one of these is going to be the main pigment color. On this particular page, we have the Windsor Lemon and we have the Cadmium Yellow Pale, and I have pretty much matched them to the original chart that we created. So what's going to happen with each of these charts is that we're going to add a little bit of each of our other pigments to our Windsor Lemon in this case, so that we can see what happens when we mix these colors together. For the second column in this group, which is the Windsor Lemon group, I have mixed up a lot of Windsor Lemon because we're going to use a lot of it, because we're going to need it for all of these columns. For the second column, we are going to add just the slightest amount of Cadmium Free Yellow Pale to Windsor Lemon. And then we are going to create tints based on that mix for the next 4 squares. The next one that we're going to do is going to be Scarlet Lake, mixing a little bit of Scarlet Lake into Lemon Yellow. So this is what I started here. It's not quite changed in color enough, so I'm just going to take the slightest amount of red again and mix it in until we get kind of an orangey yellow. And I think that will work very nicely. We could even go a little farther. Just another smidgen of red, because the red is very strong. And here we have our lemon yellow with a little bit of Scarlet Lake mixed in. We'll use this to create our 5 tint levels on our chart. Now we'll mix some Windsor Lemon with Permanent Rose. So I've just completed the third column of color, and I think what I will do at this point now is start to label these columns. So this column here is our Windsor Lemon. This is Windsor Lemon plus Cad Yellow. This is Windsor Lemon plus Scarlet Lake. And now we'll do Windsor Lemon plus Permanent Rose.